Hi guys, welcome back to Oda's Kitchen. Today I'll be making Barbi fried chicken, but I'm doing it on the stove top instead of the oven. So for all those who don't have an oven, you don't have to worry, you can just do it on your stove. Well, I'm going to marinate my chicken now for like half an hour. So I'm going to season my already washed and clean chicken. So I'm gonna add some green season. I'm gonna add some Maggi chicken season. I'm going to add some orange spice. Some garlic powder, some Maggi all-purpose, and some salt, just a little for taste. Okay, and some celery season. So I'm gonna mix up my chicken and I'm gonna let this marinate for just half an hour. Welcome back guys, and here is my seasoned flour. I use all the same season that I use on my chicken. I use it into my flour. So I'm going to mix it up because I'm going to start now by frying my chicken. And my oil is already on the fire. So I'm going to start now by flouring my chicken. Make sure all of it coats with the flour. Okay guys, I'm going to start now by adding my chicken. Guys, don't watch my pot. This pot is doing hairs and it have all the flavor in it. Okay, so my chicken and it's soon finished frying. So whenever time them fry, I'm going to show you how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to put in my second set of chicken. And here is some that already been fried. So here is my finished fried chicken. So now I'm going to start by making the sauce. Alright, so guys, for my sauce, you could use this, the barbecue sauce, but I'm not going to use it today because my kids don't like it. But if I'm cooking for somebody else, I will use it, which is the barbecue sauce. Yes. So here I'm going to add my tropical rhythm. I'm going to use some brown sugar, some parsley flakes, some pepper sauce, browning, and ketchup. First I'm gonna add my 1 cup of ketchup. Then my ketchup. I'm gonna add my tropical rhythm. Because I'm not going to use any water, I'm just going to use the juice. And I'm going to add some pepper sauce. I'm going to add some parsley flakes. I'm so going to add some brown sugar. And a small amount of browning, just for color. Maybe I could add a little more. Yes, I'm gonna. Guys, it all depends on what chicken you're using. So if you're using more chicken, you use more juice and more ketchup, okay guys, or barbecue sauce, which I'm not using it today. Okay, so now I'm going to go over my stove and I'm going to start by cooking the sauce. The first thing I'm going to do, start by making my sauce. I'm going to add some of my oil that I used to fry my chicken. And guys, the best when you're doing stuffed up Barbi fried chicken, you use a non-stick pot because the chicken will easily stick in the other pot. Okay. Just fast. So I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna add my sauce, and I'm going to allow my sauce to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I start by adding my chicken. So guys, after a couple minutes of cooking the sauce, I'm gonna start now by adding my chicken. Just gonna add everything to the pot. Then you're going to put the sauce over the chicken, just like this. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let this steam for maybe like 5 minutes, and then my Barbi fried chicken is finished. Quick and easy. Alright guys, so here is my Barbi fried chicken. So I'm gonna plate some now so you guys could see. So guys, here is my finished dish, my finished Barbi fried chicken, and I'm serving it with rice and peas and potato salad. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.